Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is now 7 a.m. Let's start trading. Well, by looking at the market data chart for today, prices prices dropping overnight, and it start to climb back up around 6:30, and around 6:45 it start to come back down. So the trend is up and down. We can trade this as a range for now. There's no strong trend in one direction. It's basically down and up and down. So it is a range day for today. At least so far, it is a range day. Range day mean we can treat it, we can trade both way, up or down. It's all depend on the micro channel that we are, yeah, trade based on the micro channel at each leg. So there's a small trend up, right? Down, up, down, up, down. And it's a range over here, maybe. Okay, that's how I look at the market every morning before starting to do my first trade. No trade yet so far. So this leg down. Also the bars here under the EMA. There's a break, and it's going sideways right now, creating a little range here. Sorry, I'm still new to the setting up the YouTube live. Alright, it's moving sideways and it's kind of congestion range for me, the way I see it. So I'm skeptical to enter any trade here. Gonna sit down and watch a little bit. I see a second entry long right here. But it's below the EMA. Uh, Skeptical to enter the trade, but when you see a range like this, sometimes you don't really care about second entry. You just trade at the bottom to go up, and trade at the top to go down. If the range continue, so the second entry has been filled and it's a good second entry inside a range. I didn't take it because I see this lake is kind of coming down to a new low. I was not sure it's gonna keep going down, so I didn't take it. I saw the second entry to go up, but this lake is coming down and it break the range a little bit. So it's you can trade the second entry or trade it as a fail breakout, fail breakout out of the range. If the range continues, you basically just trade it to come down again. Right? Yeah, I see second entry short right now, and kind of like this. Signal bar is okay, acceptable. Yeah, yeah, if I enter with a gut feel and got my profit. So there's a few second entry over here that I didn't decide to take. Uh, One is over here. One is over there. And it's kind of like this is like second entry at the top and above the EMA. Here, yesterday the Apex has a 90% discount, so I got more evals account. I got more evals account, so feel a little nervous to start trading evals, new evals account. I want to start with a win. All right, I'm going to go long here. Maybe I need to wait, wait for that bar to finish. That bar still bearish. Wait for the next bar to finish. If it is a good signal bar, I will enter. We'll see. It's below the EMA. Look like a strong downtrend here. Okay, it came near the again. This may be a good second entry, even though it is, but it is at the bottom of the range. It's already pulled back. Let's see when this. Okay, I decide to enter. This is a signal bar. It's kind of neutral. But and then I see the next bar came up bullish, and I took it. Okay, so this is. Let me delete this arrow. I didn't take. I just put it there to indicate that there's a second entry there. The one I took is here. The signal bar is not too good. It's kind of neutral, but the next bar continues to be green. I mean bullish. So I wait for it to. I was a little late, so I wait for it to pull back, and then I enter. I enter not over here, not one tick. I enter some closer to the top of the signal bar. So basically, it gave me the 6 ticks. I normally go for 6 ticks. It went for 6 ticks and it came back down. If I enter one tick above this bar, I would have lost the trade or got trapped. This is a blessing trade. And I won the trade because of the I enter somewhere over here. One tick about the body of that signal bar. If I enter one tick above the tail of the signal bar, it would be a losing trade because it went up only for 2 or 3 ticks. It's not enough. It's not enough profit for the scalp. I tried to delete this arrow here. It didn't let me pick it. Okay. All right. Thanks for the blessing. And it's not a really good second entry type of. But a win is a win. The reason I took it because it's at the bottom of the range. If the range is still in play, it would continue to go up. So right now it seems like the range is still in play though. Reason I say that the range is still in play because when we trade the range, we trade at the bottom of the range, betting it to go up. So I feel like this is a second entry at the bottom of the range. So let's do it. So I took the trade. One bad thing about it that it is below the EMA. When it's below the EMA, it has tendencies to come down, it create a new trend. Possibility that it create a new trend. That's why people don't want to take a trade under the EMA to go long because the trend may be starting to come down. So right here, if there is some kind of second entry at the EMA, would be an ideal second entry to get in, but I don't see second entry right here. So again, just to remind my audience, the viewers of my videos, that my YouTube live streaming is for entertainment purposes only. This YouTube live streaming is just to record, to keep the record of how I trade. This is my trading journey, scalping journey. I'm scalping the ES 2000 tick chart. So this live trading, I'm not giving you advice or how to trade. It just showing and entertain, and whatever I'm talking, I talk to myself. I'm not telling people to do this, to do that, or to follow me on any trade, because I know that trading futures is very risky. Actually, any trading any kind of stocks, futures, options, cryptos, or any kind risky. You have to really test your skill for a long time, years of experience. Okay, there's some kind of noise outside. Uh, gonna mute my microphone a little bit. Wow, I just noticed that I had one win over here, right? But all my other accounts did not follow. Only one account won the trade, but the rest of my other account did not follow, so did not win. S- Although it is a win for one account, the rest of the account did not follow. I feel like I was losing. Okay, it's just we have a leg up like this. So today it is like a range day because it is not a strong trend down, like keep going down, but it has a leg up, a leg down, a bigger leg down, and another leg up, down, up. So it basically I'm treating today as a range day. Range within a range. So the last leg is currently, well, the current leg is currently going up. So as a trader, we have to look back to see how's the overall chart. It's just like going to war. We need to know the overall territory. We don't just inspect the local territory. We have to know the whole war territory, what happened and what's gonna be next. We had to be aware of the high and the low and what happened in the past during today's session. So that's how I trade, or how other trader trade. Scalping. I'm using the scalping method, price action method, support resistance, range, trend up, trend down, second entries, multiple. So I have multiple strategies in my pocket when I see something that meet my strategies, and if I feel like it's a good fit for that strategies, I enter. It doesn't have to be second entry. It could be anything that meet my strategies. Strategies that I have learned or developed on my own for the past few years. Yeah, I have all this account and I didn't set my copy trades correctly. My and I only won for one account. Only one account won the trade. If I set it correctly, I would have all my accounts winning each 150. Uh, my the leader account is supposed to be this, but I set the leader as this, and in my trade copy, I didn't set it correctly, so it didn't. All the account did not follow the leader account, so it's kind of unfortunate. Otherwise, would be like I would have earned 150 on each account. That's like over $1,000, $1,500 there. Even though I won on this account, I feel like a big loss because all these accounts did not follow. You see what I mean? So now I'm setting this account as a leader account. It is zero, no trade so far. All right, let's see. Very strong uptrend. How many points? Let me check. 25, 26 point. Okay, I don't see a second entry even though it's up, it a lake coming down. Is it trying to reach the overnight high? Overnight high is over here. Mm, okay, so I just look at the whole territory. We know that the bottom is here, the top is here. I'm gonna zoom in closer. We know that the short-term trends is currently going up, and I don't see a second entry that I like or any other strategies that I'm supposed to use. The setup doesn't meet my strategies. I'm sitting and waiting. And let me turn off my live stream running. Okay, this is gonna be my first trade for all of my accounts. First trade for today. Okay, this look like a good. I'm a little behind here, and I'm gonna enter. I'm a little late here. I was skeptical. Maybe I'm missing the trade. I'm not sure. Okay, it's failed, and we'll see. Not looking too good. It went up only 3 ticks, and it came back down. Signal bar looks it's looking good. It near the EMA. It already got the. Okay, I just went for 1 point instead of 6 tick. Ooh, and then it went up. Okay, I normally go for 6 ticks, right? But it moved up so slowly. I didn't feel too confident. I closed my trade when I only get my 4 ticks, 1 point. So it went up, what, 11 or 12 ticks. It went up 10, 11 ticks. I only got 4 ticks, which is okay. Many people trade for 4 ticks only, so I got my 4 ticks. I'm happy enough. Should have got, if I hang on, I should have got my 6 ticks. So a win is a win. Be happy with it. It is a blessing. On this trade, so the trade is, if didn't close the trade is still in action, right? Okay, basically it's over now. It came back down. I was expecting that this channel, trend channel, is gonna continue to go up. So on a short trending day like this, sometimes it's dangerous because bounce back up and down like this inside a big range. So today is, it's not like a strong trending down day or a strong going up day. It's basically a range day. I took this trade is because it is a second entry, and this channel, trend channel, is going up. The second entry happened at just 1 tick below the EMA, and signal bar looks decently good enough, so I took the trade. Mm. So now all my account got filled. This is what I was supposed to set up, and I should have earned 250 on each account by now, but the first one was messed up. First trade I got 6 ticks, so it's 150, and this trade I got 4 ticks, it's 100. I normally scalp for 4 ticks to 6 ticks. So I set my default. I set my default profit targets profit to 6 ticks. It's kind of like between 4 ticks and 8 ticks. I'm trading for 4 ticks to 8 ticks. 8 ticks the most. Very rare that I go for more than 8 ticks. Sometimes, but very rare. And my nominal profit is six ticks. Yeah, just like right here, the 6 ticks. But I decided to take profit for 4 ticks because the market kind of moving didn't move quick enough on my trade. I was a little shaky. Yeah, I'm not quite sure where to enter this trade. Let me try to draw this channel. I'm trying to get the approximate accurate trend channel. It might help me with my trading decision. See, it has a, this downtrend is coming like this, but is it in a big trend? The bigger trend picture is look like this. The downtrend smaller frame is like that. It's it broke that trend channel and it's going up and coming sideways. So there is the it's been going inside the range here. But it's like this or like this. This may be more suitable because of the touch over here. Okay, I need a good trade, but I'm not sure. So the result for today so far, two trade, both trade is a winning trade, and total of what 2 points, 2.5 points. Yeah, most people would be very happy with 2.5 points profit for a day. I mean, for some serious trader that they trade big money, they got 2 points. That's good for the whole days. And they probably closed their shop already so far. No more trading for today. For me, the first trade, I didn't set up my copy trader correctly. The first trade gained 6 ticks. I didn't set up correctly. All my follower accounts did not profit. The first 6 ticks, first trade, only gain all the account gain only 1 point profit, except one account gain 2.5 points profits. Okay, what's going on here? Why is the price drop? Oh, I forgot to look at the news. I forgot to look at the news. There's a lot of thing in trading, a lot of thing in trading that we have to keep in mind and be aware of, such as news and read the market data, understanding the context, understanding the movement of the chart price action. Is it gonna, what most likely is it gonna do? This leg, is this leg is going to go up further, down? Looking for high probability setup. So yeah, a lot of news already happened at 5 a.m., 5:30 a.m. So there's no news, no more news for the rest of the day. Okay, let's see. This channel is turning down, and then it has a break over here. One leg down, one leg up, one leg down. Okay, and it touched the overnight low. I missed this. Didn't talk, didn't pay attention to these. This is a good second entry long at the overnight low, and then it's bounced back up a little bit. This is good signal bar, but the second entry doesn't look like it. two leg type of a big bearish bar coming down, and then suddenly a decent, well, a good signal bar here. But when there's the previous bar is looking so strong coming down, this would be a 2 point scalp, good for 2 points. Okay, my mind is not really not focusing too well today. A little tired and sleepy. Uh, Maybe I need a good breakfast. I haven't had my coffee because I came up late. All right, so this is the second entry short. It's setting up right now, but I don't like the lake. Well, maybe it's good lake. Kind of like this, eh? It went up, come back down, up again. The range is here. It's not quite not quite at the top of the range, but it's so close to the EMA. And this signal bar is not that a good signal bar. The bar is almost finished, but it's bullish. Please give me a good trade. See the next bar. Where's the next bar going to be? Okay, I think I'm gonna take this trade. So I might miss the trade, pulling it back up a little bit. Yeah, I got fill. The signal bar is a little above the EMA. Uh, and I have my stop loss. One tick above the range channel there, just it in case it wants to come back up to the top of the range. It's only two more ticks, please. Well, whoever trade for 1 point, they already got their scalp. I go for 6 ticks. Sometime it burns when you go for more. It's not looking too good when it pull up like that. Actually, the top of the trend is right there. Ranged. Look at the bigger picture. The range is here. Well, looking at it again, the signal bar is not great signal bar, but I decided to take it anyway, and because this is a signal bar. And when I see the next bar bearish, I decided that maybe it's bearish. Maybe it's gonna come down, and then it pulls back up. We'll see. The trade is still in action. Trade is still in action, and officially trade by the second entry rules, my stop loss would be here. But I put my stop loss above the range, acting like I'm trading the range. I'm on the upper part of the range. We'll see. Come on, it came down. Why is going back up? Yeah, if I trade for 4 ticks, it would have been fail already. I'm going for 6 ticks. Six tick is way down here. Yeah, really? No, I enter a little early too, so maybe here. 6 tick is there. It's not too far away. Come on, please. Need a blessing from the sky on this trade. Well, the worst case, I can close my trade now, but should I close or should I not? Look like the uptrend is a chance of going up is more than a chance of going down at this time when the bar is up there. All right, it stay inside. Oh, it's not good. Not good at all. It's not good at all. I'm gonna lose like 5 points if it passed this range. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Let me see. What's going on? Now it's going above the EMA. Yeah, I took this trade. The second entry, the signal bar is not too good. The second bar is red. I decided to enter, but it's not. It started not as a good signal bar in the first place, and the EMA acting as a support. It EMA rejecting all the price, and if it broke down below the EMA, it might come all the way down. This bar is important. This bar is an important bar. If it came down below the EMA, and okay, and it could keep coming down. I'm gonna set my target to only like 5 ticks instead of 6, because the lowest of this little range here is at 5 ticks. Okay, I think I'm gonna get this. I think this is a winning trade. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, fortunately, basically if I trade by the absolute second entry rules, I would have got trapped. Because I enter right here, right? And then the signal bar is not too good. I but when I see the second bar is red and it came down, right? So I think, okay, that could be a good trade. Combine the two bars together, it become a good signal bar. That's how I took the trade, decided to take the trade. So I enter the trade maybe somewhere here. not really at the bottom. Wait for this bar to pull back and take my trades. And then it start to go sideways. Nobody knows. Wha- After I enter the trade, it goes sideways and then it went back up. But I look at the range. This is a big range, right? I put my stop loss one tick about this top of the range, and that's probably the maximum I can take the loss. Took the chance, and yeah, it went back, but it hit the top of the range, near 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 the top of the range, and then it decided to come back down and give me 5 ticks. I closed my trade right here, 5 ticks, but after I close, it's shooting down even more. All right, thank you for the blessing for this trade. Thank you, the universe. So so now I got another 5 ticks, 10 ticks, 15 ticks. I got my 15 ticks for today. 10 ticks, 15 ticks. Instead of 2.5 points, I would say 15 ticks. 3 trades, 3 winning trades, and no losing straight trade. It's kind of scary type of trade. And now look like it's gonna go down further to hit the bottom of the range. It looks like. Sometime in a day like this is hard to trade. I don't know. It's just me. This it's a range day. It go up, down, up, down. Strong. There's no strong trending direction. So normally when we have strong trending direction, bearish days, for example, and then when it came to the range, I only look to take the short, even though I see a long trade setup. I ignore that long. I only take the setup that goes short. But when it is a range day like this, you know, one big leg up, one big leg down, it could be either way, and it's hard for me to decide whether I understand that on a range day you can trade both way, but I'm not used to that yet. I'm used to the good trending day, and I'm just looking to trade in one direction for the whole day. Even inside the range, I only look into the direction of the strongest direction of the trend. So for now, maybe the market, I was predicting that the market was starting to come down further and further. This is the overnight low, this red big line here, and it came past that now. But overall, it's the whole day is like, one big leg up, start a range, and one big leg down, one big leg up. And so far, let me look at the overall chart again. Yeah, so far the down bearish, more bearish than bullish, and it doesn't really, it's not a strong turning down. It's like leg up, leg down, leg up, leg down. It's like one leg at a time. It's not like coming down in one channel. Usually, on a strong bearish day, it would be coming down in one channel and price staying within the big channel. And anyway, I at this point I'm thinking that the trend is down. The rule is you have to figure out the rule of price action is you have to figure out what direction of the market for today by reading the context of the chart from the beginning of the day till this moment. If you see that the chart is most likely keep going down, you play that direction. I mean, the chart showing that it's turning down, and you look for a situation, a setup that going down only, don't go against the main trend. You predict the direction of the main trend, even though there's a small micro trend to go up, you don't, you ignore that and just wait for the signs that it's any setup, some kind of setup that made your strategies to go down only. That's one reason I took this trade, because I thinking that the main trend is down. Even though I was not sure, I just took a guess there that the main trend is down. So this is, if it gonna go up, it's not gonna go too far up. It's gonna give me some chance to come back down, and is there's a stronger chance than trading up. Even though there's some you can trade up over here, but I wouldn't take it because I feel like the trend is down. I took the chance when I see something is going down, and basically this is a blessing second entry. I would have lost the trade, but because of some chart reading skills that I have in combination with trading the second entries, that skill saved me this trade. So this is a second entry short. I'm gonna say second entry short, but I have a big stop loss. But I earn profit of 5 5 ticks. Yeah, because I violate the second entry trading rules. My stop loss would be here, and I would have lost this trade by 2 or almost 3 points there. I put my stop loss way back there, and it saved my trade, and it came down. So you have to have some knowledge and skill of reading the context. I'm still learning. I'm not good at all yet. So that's why I'm recording and trading this live to record the journey of my trading skills, keep a record of my trading journey, and maybe a year, 5 years, 10 years from now, I look at it. If YouTube is still existing 10 years from now, I look at the record of my trading. I probably see, oh, I was stupid to enter a trade here. I was dumb. I was risky and all that. So we'll see. Or maybe 10 years from now, nothing gonna change. I don't know. Anyway, the market has been down, 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 down. And I gain, overall, I gain 15 ticks. Is that right? 15 ticks for today. The first trade was 6 ticks. Second trade was 4 ticks. This trade, this third trade is 5 ticks. Yeah, 15 ticks. Basically, it is 3.75 point, almost 4 points. I can say 4 points there. So so lady and gentlemen, these are all my trading accounts. So $225 per account earned today. I think I had 11 account. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ooh, 12 accounts that I'm on trading today. I use a replicanto copy trade. So I trade only one account. We can only trade one account on the chart, but the software duplicate this one account, this one trade to all the account that you set up to follow your main account. So this is the top is my main account. The rest 11 account are followers, the followers account. Yeah, some of these are PA and some of these account are still evals. 50-50. So I just bought some more accounts last night. The Apex has a 90% discount on the evals account, so I decided to add more accounts, and hopefully I will pass them all. I'm still trying to build up the eval account into a PA account, as one at a time or a few at a times. And my goal is to have 20 PA accounts. I don't have 10 PA accounts yet, so I need to keep building it up. So far, 3 trade, 3 wins, total of 15 takes profit. I should say total profits. Total profit is 16, 15 ticks. Actually, almost 4 points, 3.7, 3.75. All right, let's concentrate on the next trade. I'm not, my focus is not so good today. As you can see, all my trades, all the trade I took, it has some risk in there, but the risk has been calculated to be less risk, less chance of losing and more chance of winning. It doesn't mean that maybe the chance of losing is 40, the chance of winning is 60%, now maybe 75%, but the chance of losing is in each trade are there, and I don't think anybody have do the scalping that don't have the chance of losing when they enter, because you enter and then the bars pulling back against you. That's the chance of losing, pulling back and forth, but at the end it is going in your direction. We take the trades that we feel that at the end the results will be positive, even though there's some. It's just like walking forward 3 step, walking backward 1 or 2 step, and then walking forward again. And at the end, you have more step forward then more than the step going backward. That is scalping. Well, including trading any kind of trading stock option. You don't win all the time, right? Some stock you are losing, some stock you are winning. For scalping, because it's scalping is more dangerous than trading stock, lady and gentlemen. So be careful. I had to be very careful. I have lost a lot before I started to be okay. Right now, I'm just okay. I'm not good yet, you know. Maybe still under okay, under average. Average. I'm still learning. If I'm good, maybe I can start teaching, selling materials, or teaching people for free. That's why in my channel I say I don't say anything good about my trading, okay? I say my live stream is for entertainment purposes only. Let me repeat that again, right? My video here is for entertaining purpose only. It is the record of how I trade. It's my trading journey to entertain people how I trade. It's just like some people who losing weight, try to lose weight, right? They put up a video, a serious video, how they start from the day they start till the end. And then if at the end they really losing weight, it is a good educational videos. It's also entertaining kind of videos. That's what the YouTube intention is all about. So my video here is the same thing as people who try to lose weight or try people who try. I see some people that try to learn guitar. I see a second inch short here, but I was busy talking. This bar here, that's good signal bar. Yeah, and that's 4 or 5 ticks easily there. I already missed it. I was gonna enter. People who trade 4 ticks, they already got it. Mm. People who trade 4 ticks, they already got it. I go for 6 ticks. Even people 5 ticks, they might got fail. 5 tick, they might got fail also, but 4 ticks is already good. They already took the money to the bank. That's okay. It's not really a sin. Is did not came down to give the 6 tick. I am not so disappointed because I could be end up in a loss. I go for 6 ticks. So for quite a few times now today, the market for the second entry trade, it looks like the 4 tick is more secure. Maybe I should change my default Maybe I should change to my default target profit to 4 ticks. So this lake, if I took this trade, my stop loss is probably up here, and it came back down. Now it touched the 6 ticks. Let's see if it go below the 6 ticks. That is a winning, could be a winning trade for 6 ticks. Now it start to go sideways. Anyway, it went up, touched the EMA. EMA is the resistance. Let me zoom into this leg. I think the market is turning much down now. Maybe keep going down, zigzag, zigzag down for the rest of the day. This is just my thinking. See, it start to go up, but eventually the rest of the day, the end of the day, is probably down here. The day is still young. It's only 9:30. Normally I trade to 12:30 or 1. Try not to trade past 12:30, 12:45 the most. That's that's just me, because I found that when it's getting closer to 1 o'clock, it's it's dangerous. Okay, let me try to draw trend a little different trend channel here. Maybe sure how to draw this trend. It's not. Because this leg has not finished it. If this leg finish and come back down, and then I'm gonna just draw it like this for now. Then I will change it later. This is not official correct trend channel. Okay. The day is still young. It's hard for me to stop. Even though I earn, well, based on my account, I have earned 2 points on one of the account. I earn on one of the account. I have earned points, but the rest of the account I earn only 2 and 9 ticks actually, which is 2 points. 2.1 points, which is considered good for the day, even with 2 points earning. Yeah, to be honest, I have only like 2 or 3 years of trading experience, scalping, and to be more honest, trading full time, scalping, only 1 year. This year I started trading full time maybe around April. Yeah, April till now, only like 6 months trading full time. But before that, I was trading half time, part time, and learning basically, just learning. So within only 6 months, I have become better, especially the last 2 3 months. The reason is because I trying to explore different strategies, one strategy at a time. Wasted my time for like 2 or 3 months. It worked. The strategy worked for like 2 3 weeks straight, or something like that, and then it just keep failing, and blow out my account. And then I went on, okay, this strategy is not consistent. I went on to another strategies. And then it happened again. I went for 3 days or 1 week, 2 weeks, and then it stopped working. It blow out my account again. So I quit it on those strategies, and I came back down again to a different strategies. Just learning from some YouTube people. They say this strategy is good, this good, that. So I try to explore it on my own. So gradually, even though I have been losing during those days, I actually learn from the mistake, learn from the loss. It's a I lost big. I don't have to tell. Within 2 years, I lost big amount. Big, probably too big, more than you want to imagine for a new trader. So now la- after you lost big, you start to be scared of losing more, and I start to be more conservative now, and starting to learn slowly, be patient, trade slowly, small amounts for small contract at a time. I still have my day of bad. I still have my bad psychology day. Uh, Especially when I lost one trade or something like that, my head is going is steaming. That is when you lose control. Your psychology you're losing your self control, and then your psychology is out of control. Psychology in trading, they say, is very important, and it is. They're not lying to you, or they're not lying to me. And to control your psychologies, it is not easy. I think to control it is by learning from your mistake. Maybe you lose so many times from that mistake, you're scared. And when you feel scared, your psychology become corrected. If you're still not scared, your emotion is still not under control yet. Trading is almost like boxing, you know. You cannot just throw your punch wildly out there and then they counter punch you. They waiting for the counter punch. When you miss a punch, you throw your punch uncontrollably. You miss the punch. You let yourself be wide open for them to counter punch you. Something like that. Trading is psychology is kind of like that. We have to control our emotion, same as the professional boxer. They don't just attack all the time, right? Sometimes they retreat, they wait, then they throw a jab one at a time to test the market, to test their opponent, to see the reaction of the opponent. They study the style of their opponents, just like we study our chart. We have to look back. What is the personality of this chart for today? And then when we know the personality, we start to attack. You know, boxer, they don't try to go attack their opponent right away. They study a little bit, especially in the first round. Of course, sometimes there's a lot of knockout in the first round, right? Same thing with trading. Sometimes you go in and you see a trade. Oh, it looks like a good trade. It meets you recognize the setup. It meet the intention of your setup. You take the trade. Okay, there's a second entry short here at the top of the here, but it is at the top. I was not so sure. So now there's a second entry at the bottom. It line up with this pivot line. Maybe it is a good second entry. I'm not sure, but I don't want to take this trade. It look like it looks. It is a good two leg second entry, right? One leg down, two leg down. I didn't take it because my feeling about we have bearish trend. The trend is bearish today. From now on, that's my feeling. So if I took this trade, it would be a good winning trade. The reason it wins because see I draw this line. It came down at the bottom of the range, and the second entry happened at the bottom of the range to go up. Uh, that's why I on one side of my head say is a good second entry. Plus, it is a good two legs. It's clear there's two legs that the signal bar is not too great, but it is at the bottom at the supports. This is a support inside this range. That's good. Only thing is signal bar is not too good. It's not good actually. Signal bar close at the bottom, but and then this bar climbing back up. When you see this, if I enter this trade, I wouldn't enter this trade until I see this bar right here. Very strongly bullish going up. I would enter my trade right here, right? I would not enter before this bar coming up. Okay, and there it is a fail second entry long. Should I take this or not? I'm taking it. Fail second entry long. I use the it's dangerous. Everything is dangerous. Every trade, every entries that I took so far is dangerous today. I pull my stop loss too big there. You see, I might pull back down, but for now I put it up there. I should not enter this, but I feel like the EMA is the okay. Now I see. I feel that the EMA is the resistance for this leg to go further up. And on the other thing, I feel like the main trend is down. I normally trade with the main trend. See, it's been down. And I think the main trend is gonna start going down, even though at this moment, at this location, local location, at this moment, it's up and down, but eventually, it's just my thinking, my personal thinking, I think it's gonna come down. Okay, so that's what happened. So my trade here is not a really a traditional. Again, it's not a traditional second entry type of trade. I took this trade somewhere over here, right here, but I would put my signal right here. My trade is like one tick below this bar here, and it is a fail second entry long. I traded like that. That's when I first enter my trade. I just thought that is a failed second entry long. So I earned my 6 ticks. 6 tick is always my target. Sometimes I move. Sometimes I move to 2 ticks, 8 ticks, depends. Yeah, there's a second entry long here, but I didn't take because I feel that the market is turning down. The main trend is turning down now. That's how I feel. It's not really very convincing yet, but it's just my feeling. So that's why I didn't take this trade. I wait for something to show me that I want to go down. So this is not really a good signal bar to go short. It's good enough. And then when I see the next bar red, I enter. Then it start to pull back up on me. So because the main trend is overall trend now is down, so I took that risk to enter this trade, right? So this could be still going up, but it's not gonna go up too far because my judgment of this market is that gonna come back down. So I put my stop loss somewhere over here over this swing and just feel that it's not gonna go any higher than that swing because the market is turning down. It will come back. So just like what I thought, and it worked. See, each swing is getting lower and lower. The swing. So that's one way of how I trade, how I read the market. The main trend is the key for me, or how I trade. When I figure out that the main trend for the whole day is strongly going down, all these things here are just the secondary to figure it out where I want to enter. It's still important, probably most important than the main trend because you don't enter. But the main trend is giving you the hint that you most likely gonna win than losing. No guarantee, but most likely. So that's how you trade with price action. How I trade with price action. Yeah, I do live trading and talking like this. Basically, I'm just talking to myself. And sometimes I use the word you. I forgot I should use the word I, but I feel like I'm talking to my audience also. I'm talking to myself, reminding myself with whatever I'm trading. And when you talk out loud to yourself, you tend to remember better, you learn better. I learn better. I remember better when I talk out loud. Talk out loud to myself. Talk out loud to a smart man. A smart man must learn from it. And be good with it someday. Okay, I keep forgetting turning off my message over here that this video is not for teaching anybody. It's not an advice for anybody to follow my trading styles, right? I'm recording this video, uploading this video. It's just a record of how I trade. I'm not providing you any trading strategies. I'm just telling you how I trade. How I trade doesn't mean good winning trade all the time. Every time I enter the trade, I am still nervous with my trade. I just enter when I feel like I have a high probability of winning. I have a hard time to say the word probabilities, probabilities, probabilities. That's how second language people learn the English. They have to repeat the words, make sure that they say it correctly and people understand them. And I practice this word regularly, and it's it's hard when you try to say it fast. High probabilities. I had to say it slow. High probability. High probability. Okay, that's enough. You understand what I mean. All right, so far, what I added 6 more ticks. 6 more ticks. So 21 ticks for today. 21 ticks. Oh no, it's like I think I have 5 trades. Forgot to change this. Total of 5 trades. All 5s are winning trades. And again 21 ticks. So for this one account, I earned $375. This account is did not include six six additional ticks. If I add 6 additional ticks in there, would be 500. Yeah, $525. That right? Yeah. Add another 150 onto this, it would be. But so let me recap a little bit. I'm still trading. I'm not done yet. Today I'm kind of like tired for some reason. So let me recap, go back to check my all my entries. Where's all my entries? All my trades, not entries. thought I have more trades. Okay, one trade over here. Trade number one, I got 6 ticks. Trade number two, I got 4 ticks. This trade number three. Oh, trade number three somewhere over here. Why I did not have arrow there? Oh, here's the arrow. Trade number three, got 5 ticks. What? I have only 4 trades. I thought I have 5. Okay, 4 trades. Yeah, this is the trade number 4. Maybe I have one more somewhere over here, but I forgot to add my arrow. So it's okay. 4 trades. That right? Let me see. I thought I have 5 trades because I put 5 over here. See you again. Yeah, my first trade. Start trading around today. I start trading around 7. It's busy setting up YouTube and stuff to go live. So first trade at 7:35. Let me add a note here. Just to keep a record of my self trading journey. So 6 ticks, first trade, second trade, 4 ticks, third trade, 5 ticks, fourth trade, 6 ticks. Yeah, so I have only four trades there. The market is turning down, as I said. So from here on, I probably just look to take a short trade only when I see something suitable for my setup. Sometimes I see a trade to go long, but I mostly rather wait for the next setup, any setup that coming that to go short. It doesn't mean I'm not going long at all, but most likely I don't take the long trade when I see you see the market is trending down like this, right? But who knows? Maybe it reached this points, it start to go back up, and then I just wait for the short, and then I got burned. It's sometimes it's depend. Yeah, so total is 5 trade, 21 ticks. I'm gonna delete this. 5 trades. No, 4 trades. I say 5 again. Yeah, I thought I have 5. Total of 4 trades. When I first started trading using price action, scalping, I when I see anything I like, I just feel, oh, it's gonna go up. I enter the trade, right? I luckily won sometimes and sometimes lost. One lost, one lost. But this that style of trading, you're gonna end up losing because you don't. I didn't have a strategy. I just go with my feeling, right? You say, "Oh, look like it's about to go up. Let me enter right now. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, it go up. It's a winning trade, right? So it make you feel like you are invincible. You take the trade again somewhere, or maybe maybe enter the trade right here again. Okay, look like it's enough. Enter now. Maybe it's going down now, right? Because you maybe your guess, the first few guess are right, but it doesn't take long to have the losing trade. So for those professional trader, they know where they want to enter, even though their entry is still risky, but it's less risky than just enter at anywhere without knowing anything. Just like we go to a gambler, I mean casino table, and I don't know much about table, uh, casino table. I just throw money on there and just hoping your numbers comes out. Okay, so I think it's a good day when you earn $375 by trading only two contracts. You earn 4 points, four, yeah, 4 points. No, 5 points. Each point is contain four ticks, so I earn 5 points. 5.1 5.1 points. So I would just say 5 points. The 1 point, give it to the ninja trader for the fees. It's much more than that, but okay, lady and gentlemen, this is my all my account. This is all my account. Each account earned $375. I trade two contracts per each account, except the bottom one. The bottom one, I trade one contract only. Only one trade was two contracts. I could earn $500, but I set up my Replicanto copy trade incorrectly, and so I'm happy for today. I'm not sure about the next trade. Nobody know. I don't know. Every time I enter a trade, I'm shaky. I'm praying. I'm nervous and hopeful with all the skills. Do you think that the boxer, the USC fighter, are nervous when before they enter the ring or when they enter the ring? No matter how good they are, I'm sure they're nervous, right? It's different from playing soccer or football or basketball. You play as a team sports, and you go in the ring as a boxer or as a fighter. is different, totally different kind of sports. I have been, I have fought some. That's how I know. I have trained in Taekwondo, and I have to join the tournament and had some fight, real fight. So each time I enter, even though I'm a wild guy, before enter into the ring, yeah, I'm nervous and focus. Nervous make you focus. Sometimes it's a good thing. And then when I started to be, when I am in the ring, my nervousness is gone. I become a wild man, attack and angry all the time when I'm in the fight. But before the fight, I'm nervous. I was nervous, right? That's made you prepare better, make myself prepare. You're nervous because you want to win and make you prepare. It's just like taking a final test or something. Every time you take final test, you for sure you have some nervousness in you. Even though you feel confident that you have done all your homework, you are good. I'm sure you have some nervousness in you because you don't know what's the question in the test. They might throw a very hard question, complicated, complex question for you that you never seen before. Same thing with trading. With trading, you deal it with real money, even more nervous, right? Unless you have a lot of money. Losing is not fun, so I pray each day that I'm not I will have the wisdom and talents to do my job. This is a job. This is a career. That I have the wisdom and the talents to understand the chart, to do the job, to earn profit, making a living. I spelled the results wrong. My finger went too fast and I misspell. And after you misspell, and then you realize that, oh, it's just like trading. You enter the trade and you realize that, this is not a good setup. I must read the chart. It's too late. Sometimes, if the bars pull back to your entry and you realize that it's not good, you just close it. Or if you want to take a risk, just keep it. 50-50 chance. But if you enter the trade and then you realize it's a bad trade, right? but you don't want to cancel your trade. You take a chance. Just make sure you don't move your stop loss because you know that it's might not be a good trade early. Don't move your stop loss too high and say, okay, what the heck? I want to. I don't care. I wait for it to come back and win. And I did that before, and it's not the right decision. Yeah, one of the things that I want to remind any new traders that don't move your stop loss, especially if, when you scalper, you are a scalper, scalping for a few ticks here and there. Don't move your stop loss too big. So I learned from my too many lessons moving the stop loss. And sometimes I win, right? And then I do it again with a bigger stop loss, and then I lost. So the best way, even though you're losing one trade here, you most likely gonna win the next trade. You're not gonna lose three, four, five second entry trade in a row. So if you put all your money in one stop loss, you don't have the money to come back. So keep your stop loss small if you can. You move back, maybe not too much back, okay? I try to keep my stop loss around 4 points, maybe five the most. So I had to promise myself no more than 5 points. 5 points is a lot to recover. It might take a few days to come back. If lucky enough, you can win it back in the next few trades and then reset, start it over again. So basically, you're just losing the times, but you have more chance of winning back your money. It's just you're losing the times of for that one day, one trade, and it's just like what I do here, right? I win 4 trades in a row, and if you win 4 trades in a row, you win all your money back from that one loss, right? But don't move too far. Don't move your stop loss too far. As you can see, I move my stop loss also today. And I had to limit myself and I had to learn to get a better trade by not moving my stop loss at all. Trading the second entry, the stop loss, it basically has to be one tick above or below the signal bar. You are not supposed to move it, but I occasionally I move to the top of the range, one tick above the top of the range and one tick below the range. Sometimes 2 ticks. Okay. Mm, second entry short right here. Not a good signal bar. Whoever entered, yeah, maybe okay. It's still one tick. It's almost trapped the second entry long. And then another second entry long over here. Second entry short right here, second entry long right here, and it's actually second entry long got trapped by one tick. but it's moving sideways. Uh, yeah, today I'm feeling sleepy or tired. My head is not. Even though I win the trade, it's a winning day, but my body is not too excited. Imagine if this is a losing day. Uh, my body probably have high blood pressure. Okay, I'm gonna hide my account profit over here. Not trying to show you, but it's part of the entertainment. If nothing to show, it's not fun, right? Nobody want to watch you if you don't have any good to impress them, right? Nobody want to watch a basketball team that losing all the times, right? So I'm just trying to build my YouTube channel by going live, and probably nobody watching my channel at all when I live, when I stream, but it is okay. I just I have to just keep doing good. Actually, the audience, the viewers will come when they realize, when they start watching, when they see something good, they will advertise for me. So the advertisement of my video today is that, hey, I have a total of 4 trades. All 4 trades are winning, and I gained 21 ticks, right? Which means 5 points. If you trade 2 contracts, each point is $100. So 5 points, $500. That is the entertainment that people want to see. They don't want to see you losing. That's equal 5.1 points. Each point equal A. What's wrong with my typing today? Okay. As I said that the market is starting to trending down, regardless of this leg is up. At one point it will be down and down, further down, lower than this. I missed the second entry short right here. It's not a good signal bar. It is a doji bar, but it's okay. Enter that trade if I was brave enough. Sometimes I'm not too brave. Where's my mouse? I'm losing my mouse. Maybe it's run out of battery again. My mouse run out of battery. Really? Okay. It comes back. Somehow this mouse eating a lot of battery. Usually one battery lasts for a whole year or more. This mouse has not even 1 year yet. I have replaced the battery once already, and now it start to go out again. All right, may I have one trade, please? One more trade, please. Maybe the day is still young for me. I need to trade till 12:30 every day. I missed this trade. Sometime when you are up 5 points already, that's a lot for many scalper. I don't trade runner, so for people who trade runner, they probably doing good today. I'm not sure. So s- people who trade runners, they sometimes they one trade they earn like 4 or 5 points, 10 points, depends. But for me, I don't trade runner, so I only go for 6 ticks, 5 ticks, 4 ticks, 8 ticks. This is a good second entry short, even though it is a doji bar, but the next bar is red. You can enter your trade here. Just 1 or 2 tick below that doji bar, or you can, especially it came down like this. I missed it. I told myself to keep waiting for a trade that's going down. Anyway, like this trade over here, it is a second entry, but I could have lost this trade. But most likely I have my stop loss up here to save my trade. I won't take there. Uh, this mess right here, this is a really good, but I didn't take. So I'm just talking. Your mess is a mess. At least you realize, train yourself, your mind, your heart to realize that it's a good trade. Why is it a good trade? Because the main trend is going down, and the second entry is coming down. One bad thing about it is that doji bar close above the EMA. If the setup is below the EMA, it would be a much better second entry. So so the market is playing inside this range again. The market don't just come down and keep coming down, right? It stops, came down. Let me show the whole scenario of the market came down, go back up a few points, came down again and go sideways, and comes down again and going up slightly in a range, going up again, create a range, coming down again. So even though it's up and down like this, but the overall trend is down. So that's what I call a main trend. It's what I call a main trend is because overall adding all this inside one channel, see, you add everything inside one channel, you stay inside the downtrend channel, right? The overall big picture is down. So when I see something like this, I only look for a, a short trade. So before this lake coming down, I was thinking that the market is ranging within this two zone over here. That's why I draw this two zone here, right? So I took this straight and I took this straight, and then after this trade, yeah, I almost flung here. I only got 4 ticks. After this trade, it's going down, sideways, down, sideways, down, sideways. So all right. May I have one more trade, please? If I have seen this trade, would I take the trade? It's a doji bar. And at this point, when I'm up $375 per account, I feel very discouraged to keep on trading. But I want to have one more trade, please. I was waiting for a second entry set up right here, but this bar right here killing everything. So right now it's 10:30 exactly. This bar is happening at 10:30 exactly. This is one of the big guy decide to sell. The guy decided to sell at 10:30. That's why just zip, one zip coming down. One zip coming down, producing a second entry long, good enough for the 6 ticks, 8 ticks. I was waiting for this to go up a little bit, more to give me the second entry short, but this bar kill all my trade, kill my setup. Uh, no, not really. I counted incorrectly. It's not a second entry short there, along there. Okay, I'm gonna take a little break. I'm gonna mute because there are noise in the background. Yeah, I forgot to look at the balance on my some of my Apex account, and one of them is has just passed. One of my 50K accounts has just passed. The next one is $800 short. It's probably gonna pass next week. So this account right here is the one that passed. It just passed by $8. It required to earn $3,000, but I just reached $3,008 on my last trade. I didn't. I totally forgot about it, and I just looked. Oh, I passed. So one more account pass add into my overall accounts. I'm building it up to reach 20 accounts. That's the dream of all the scalper, apex trader. The dream to have 50 accounts. So far, I have passed what 6 accounts, and this account here is number 7. One more is coming. It's gonna be 8 apex account passed. Okay, second entry short here, but it is about the EMA, and the thing is this about the EMA. It's not very positive. No. Since this account passed already, I need to switch. to a different account. Second entry short. I don't. I cannot trade this. Okay, I'm gonna take a little break. Need to set up. I think I'm done for this. Done live trading, live stream now. As I need to change some of my account and maybe trading offline, or maybe this is the end of today. Okay, so actually this is not a good second entry short. If I enter, it's not it's not good anyway. So which is a good thing that I did not enter. If I enter here, I probably put my stop loss way back here. We'll see if it keep going above this yellow line, because my prediction is that the market will keep coming back down. It's a turning down day in the afternoon. I mean, starting since 9:30, it start to trend down. So if I took a trade here, I would have been feeling scary, nervous. But my price action reading skill is telling me that there will be a leg down. It doesn't matter how good you are reading the market, you still predict the market incorrectly. Okay, I'm gonna close my live stream for today. I might be still trading offline, but most likely not. Okay, if I hang on to the trades, the trade is now in the positive directory territory, and I would have probably closed my trade right now for take 5 ticks, because there's a potential that the EMA is acting as a support. So if I don't feel, so I enter the trade here, expect that it will give me 4 to 6 ticks, but and then the EMA start rising, right? EMA start rising there. I probably close the trade now, or if I want to take risks, just hang on to it. But the stop loss is a big stop loss. And how much the stop loss from here to the, maybe here, stop loss will be hmm, 7 points. That's big. So sometimes when I see it's big like that, I don't want to go any more than 4 or 5. 5 is the very max. Anything more than 4 is hard to come back. Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm closing my day trading day. I think I have enough for today to track my winnings, my profit. So, I'm gonna close the trade soon, maybe in 5 minutes, 2 minutes. Want to recap of what I have trade. I have the results today. I have four trades, four winning trades, total profit 21.65.1 points. And I'm trading like 12 accounts at the same time. I'm crazy, yeah. Crazy guy. Trading 12 accounts at the same time. Some of them is Apex Eval and some of them are Apex PA. So imagine you earn $375 times 12, how much? So it's part of entertainment. I just show your score. I just show you make people happy and want to try the same journey. This is my trading journey. I'm not successful yet, but I'm getting there to get better. And since this is a good trading day, very successful trading day, yeah, my happy panda, our panda, come to celebrate with me. And this is come out. Celebrate, celebrate. Yeah. The fireworks. Let's do some fireworks to celebrate our success today. Big fireworks celebration. Everybody is dancing. Panda is dancing. Alright, enough for the fireworks. And we gained 5 points today. And I haven't added the total winning profit. Let me add the total winning profit with the V. You can have 12 accounts. $4,500 today. That's good. And Panda is still dancing with $4,500. That's much for one week. I'm planning to be, I'm planning to be better. I'm gonna $1,000. Hey, I Yes. Okay. Yeah. After I see the results, I need to have fireworks again, and still dancing. Today's success is winning 4 trade. All four are winning, and total profit is 21 ticks, which is 5.1 points. At I'm trading 12 accounts, and add up total $4,500. And among those 12 contracts, some of them, 50% of them are CA, 50% are eval. So it is a good trading day. All right, firework from our again. Thank you, thank you. All right, that's enough. That's enough, and no more dancing. Well, thank you everybody for watching. Hope you enjoy the videos. Please press like and subscribe. And see you again tomorrow. Enjoy your trading. Good luck. See you again tomorrow or Monday in case I don't trade Monday. Tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday. Thank you.